We got two good looking Broncos here. We got a first gen uncut. Looks pretty original. 66, I'm thinking. And then we've got a later 74 or so over here. Custom dash. Original dash.
Take care. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And I'm here with Steve from VIVA Broncos, and you guys are in Wabash?
Wabash.
That's what I was thinking. And they've got this really sweet Bronco here, and this beautiful lady over here has this nice little hot rod too.
66, we're the same age.
66? Hey, I'm 67, so I'm pretty close. That's what mine is. But we're going to check out this sweet ride he's got right here. They've got three of them set for shows. We've got this one here, and he'll tell us about this one.
This is a 1970, but it's modified in the suspension and the motor. So we have 351 Windsor.
So we've got
stroke to 427.
So we've got a nice looking 351 up here, Ford racing style, aluminum heads. Like I said, 427, so it's board and stroke. It's fuel injected, so it can go sideways. Just don't go on your roof, and it's not going to run out of fuel like you do with a carburetor. I see Willwood brakes on this thing, King shocks. It's got a nice little cooler right here for
Transmission
the transmission. It's probably got 4-speed overdrive.
Yeah, it's AODE.
Okay, yep. So that's electronic controlled as well.
We have Dynatrac axles.
So that's why you got these. I see they're reversed.
They're 4-linked.
Yep. So he's got 4-linked, and you see the big, heavy arms, and a real nice dampener as well.
And
everything's got the big ball joints on it.
It's got
Nice and heavy duty.
We'll get to the steps in the. It's got Atlas transfer case.
Oh, nice.
Power steps. It's got some features inside too. When we get to the interior, it's got some Gen 6.
Oh, it's got some Gen 6 stuff inside. So he's got disc brakes on the front, like we said, the Willwoods. We saw those a little bit ago. And what size tires were they on? Like 37s? 37s. Yep. And were they on 18s?
They
or 20s? These are on 20s. Okay.
Solder rims.
Solder rims, and then you can see the King shocks, and they are long travels. See, they go all the way to the top like you would see a pre-runner or something.
And these headers were custom made to go outside the frame rail.
All the ceramic coated, so you don't have to worry about those.
Yep. And they fitted Flowmaster Super 40s under the steps.
That's gotta sound good. 40s always sound good. You can see those big heavy links on that 4-link on the front. Oh, greasable as well. That's good, serviceable. And we go down below, you can see those big arms, that big differential. Now, is that like a 9.5-inch differential?
I think it's equivalent to a
little bigger than 44
60 or a Dana 50.
Okay, so it's
60 high pinion.
Okay.
I don't know all the specs on the Dynatrac, but
then yeah, you can see the special Atlas transfer case.
Yep.
Nice. And that's more robust than the old Dana 20. And I'm seeing some grease zerks, and I'm seeing, looks like a 3-link, nice looking 3-link setup going to the back. And more King shocks. The frame's all either painted or powder coated. It looks good.
We did the torsion bar, sway bars.
Oh, I see that back there, yep.
And it's got the large 25-gallon tank.
Yes, that's a big plus because the fuel mileage isn't always really good on these. I like the side dump exhaust, that's really cool.
One of the other nice features, it's got amp steps.
I'll check those out. They drop down when you open the door and pull back up when you close it. And it's on a timer, there it goes. And if you probably didn't notice, but this is all
these
special fit.
Yes, these are
fenders.
fiberglass molded. The back section quarters
and
the trunk lid are all fiberglass molded because they don't typically come with the fender flares.
Do you guys do this, or who does that for you?
This is built out of California.
Okay.
So the Broncos that come out of VIVA chassis, we only do the chassis. So you can get whatever option you want to get it
Right.
up your like.
Is that a steel frame hood with fiberglass center, or is that all steel?
It looks aluminum. It's got welded there, so I imagine it's aluminum hood or a steel hood.
Okay, nice.
Cal inducted hood.
Yeah, so that's gonna have a good look to it with that 351. And we got some more tricks around the side and inside. So, well, yeah, everything looks really clean under here. We'll get kind of an upwards view this side as well. You can see it still has the angle to the master cylinder, just like what they've run it
Booster.
for the booster, but they run it just right along with their piping. Isn't that cool? I love that little detail. So we'll see if we can slip around the side here. And I saw that he had some custom mirrors on it, some custom door panels in there. And look at that dash. Something looks special about that dash. That doesn't look like our factory dash over here. So
It's got iPad, so iTunes be linked to it. It's got a Holley EFI digital dash.
so all your dash over there, as you can see,
Twin stick.
down for your Atlas, and your shifter for your automatic. And it's got the look of a new Bronco, but we're going to have air conditioning and some other features, I'm guessing.
It has differential locks front and back. It's got the light bar at the top. It's got dome light switch, and it's got the headlight, so the high vis headlights with the halo.
And then you can see, is that the push button start?
Push button start, yes.
Yes. Nice. And custom, really beautiful custom interior. Door panels. Broncos are not noted for a really beautiful interior. These guys did a great job. Another really nice. I mean, you look at the interior over there and it's a little more sparse. Again, you can see the custom, those wheel wells look great. I love the shape. Custom bumpers. And then we have our battery and our shock reservoirs. And our shocks are coming through the floor, so you can see how long the travel is. Let's go back down and take a look at that. See how long that travel is? There it is, going up in. And it actually comes through. So you have a really long travel suspension, like a pre-runner travel. Very impressive. Fuel cell fills through the top down.
Yes.
So that's, I bet that's more than 25 gallons. And that's, I bet you're 35. Yeah, so that's pretty awesome. You can see his lights on the back to just really brighten things up when you're out in the middle of nowhere. Just a good looking ride. You can see our big axle on the back too. And like I said, he has
Air lockers on it.
air locks all the way around. And you can see the links for the sway bar and big heavy duty Heims on it for the 3-link, and disc brakes to get him back.
Yes, yeah.
Well, I appreciate your time. What a great look at, always got just a few more details. I love it. So got a little secret place the key goes. I'm not gonna show you unless you want to buy one.
I'm gonna start it.
And we're getting ready to start this up. So we'll step back. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Flowmasters definitely have a nice sound to them. Oh yeah. No more than these Broncos weigh. Probably doesn't have any problems like the 37s. Yeah, that's nice. That idle's real nice and just the right amount of chop. This thing sounds good. So, our steps are down. You know what that means? Let's jump in. Steve's gonna take me for a cruise. And we'll drop her down and drive, and this bad boy's ready to go. And if you're interested in buying this, right there you go, scan that. kids think that a monster truck. Be able to see the reaction of people when they see this good looking Bronco and then they hear how good it sounds. Pretty nice, isn't it? Ducktails. So there are approximately 3,000 cars here, and I don't know how many people. 15, 20,000 people, lots of people. And this is definitely one of the rides that gets a lot of attention. And that takes a lot here to get a lot of attention. We've got people that have flames coming out of their vehicles, so it takes a lot to get attention around here. They're building right now.
Yeah, we have one right now in Townsend, Tennessee. We unveiled it this weekend. It's our first full build. So it ground up VIVA chassis built it. The motor is a 7.3 Godzilla with the Whipple.
Oh, so it's 800 horsepower approximately.
10-speed transmission.
Wow.
We engineered and designed the frame for a 4-link coilovers, like what is
somewhat custom frame then.
Yep. And then Hartman's body did it out of Ohio. They married it and did the interior. Well, they didn't do the interior. Vintage Bronco out of Edna Green, I think is.
Okay.
That did the
interior for it.
I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure that's the guy.
Okay. So, and what did use for a transfer case then? Use a modern.
We put an Atlas in that.
Okay, so it has an Atlas similar to what we have in here. Okay, that's awesome.
Tom's Off-Road supplied us with all the parts, so they are one of the vendors that supply all our.
That's great.
But I wish it was here.
Yes.
Do them together is really.
That would be impressive. How
Dylan did the exhaust. He did these custom headers for Godzilla.
Yes. Great job.
He's out of Warsaw, Indiana. He did the exhaust on it. And
master fabricator.
Yeah.
Yeah, we love your little Bronco too. He owns that little black one back there.
He's been buying parts from us too.
Oh, great.
One of our other friends did some of the paint on it and some of the body work on it. But this is my first time here.
Actually, it's mine too.
It's a lot.
We usually farm, unfortunately. So this is great, beautiful weather. And in the past, I always thought you were supposed to bring cars. So I never thought I'd be able to bring a Bronco.
So tell us about your Bronco.
Well, we're coming up on it. It's it's actually a 77 titled. It has a Kentrel fiberglass body and 351. Some hot rod parts, not as much as this one. Cam, ported polished heads, all that good stuff, headers. And it has Dana 44s, disc brakes, 9-inch in the rear, 31 spline, posi, all that good stuff. And it's I painted it, I built the body, I did the interior, I bent the roll cage for it, I bent the bumpers, I built the motor. So it's pretty much I bought it back in 1989 for $1,000.
Really?
Yeah, it was my work beater. And
are you planning on going in, like, are you gonna leave it all original? Or
it's just slightly more original than this one. So I've just slowly replaced things that broke on it over the years. Well, we're putting the Bronco back away, took it for a nice ride. Lots of attention. Everybody loves this thing. Put it back in beside its little sibling over there. Woo!
That's a lot of people.
Yeah.
No, a lot.
You're not going to do that?
Yeah, this thing is loved by everybody. And the crowd is getting big out there, so. Yeah, but thanks again for watching. Well, thanks Steve for taking me for a ride. Come over and give me a handshake. Thanks Steve for giving me a ride.
Yes, thank you.
That thing is
It was
awesome.
really nice meeting
and I'll
you.
get some information from you guys here shortly. And just, this thing is gorgeous. Love those two. That is a very rare ride right there. 1974. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a good day.